Good morning, everybody. What's going on? So, checking it out right now, and I can see that we have a lot of activity kind of going on during pre-market. So, I'm gonna kind of raise this up a little bit for my entry. So basically, let's see, probably gonna put it like right here. So once it goes above this purple line, then I'm gonna go ahead and probably take the entry. But we do have a pre-market high up here, so I'm also gonna keep that in mind. Maybe you're gonna put like a little line right here. I'm gonna put this little line right here because that's our pre-market high. So from here, it's 43.37, about 20 points. So, and then we do have a pre-market low, which is right here, kind of. Pre-market low is like around right here. So we have to be mindful of this. So this is kind of what I'm looking at, guys. Right now, the market's about to open up. But yeah, make sure you guys have all your contracts loaded up, ready to go. Let's see what's gonna happen right here. See, we got entries right here. All right, cool. I think I'm gonna go. We have 23,451, 23,451. Okay. Yeah, so personally, I think for me, I'm just gonna wait until we break above this the top purple line, which is the pre-market high. That's what I'm gonna wait for. So if it breaks above there, I'll take my entry. If it breaks below this one, I'll take my entry for the shorts. But that's kind of what I'm looking at right now, guys. So let's see what we get. So it's looking like it wants to come down. Like I said, for early entry, maybe you could take it if it breaks below this purple line, but I'm gonna kind of wait to the bottom line just to be more safe. But it is looking kind of good right now to the downside. I have everything aligned. Everything's kind of looking good, like it wants to continue down. There it goes. Just be careful. Just be careful. It's looking kind of strong though. It's looking good. I'm gonna give it some time though and just wait a little bit. It's already down 42 points right now, 44 points. But look how it's kind of hesitating. So if I do enter, I'll let you guys know when I'm in. Um, right now I'm trading a couple funded accounts with Apex. And I'm just starting small, just trying to stack those base hits. I'm not trying to go all crazy because, to be honest, I spent a lot of money on evals because what I do with the evals. Hold on, we're coming up to our entry almost. All right, there it goes. We are kind of extended, but I'm gonna take the entry. It's kind of what I'm in right now. I'm in a position. I'm in some shorts. It's kind of risky because we are extended already, but and it's wicking. So if it goes against me a lot, I'm just gonna get out. But I'm in some shorts right now. But I'm being careful because it's kind of wicky. Make sure you cover profit if you are in this position. There it goes. I'm covering a little profit. Maybe a little bit. Like I said, I just want to catch a little piece of it. I'm just trying to be cautious right now because I don't want to be all risky. All right, there it goes. It's giving us some more. Still looking good though. It's still looking good right now. Just stay patient with it. Everything's looking pretty good. It's giving us some more right there. It is extended 56 points. I made my money. I'm out. That was a beautiful setup and beautiful trade. That's right. Exactly. From the first entry, it already went down like 30 points, up 500 bucks. That's what I'm talking about. Great job. Great job. Oh yeah, by the way, who's ever on this chat right now, you guys are gonna get a free ticket for the raffle. So appreciate all you guys being in here. Oh yeah, let's see. All right. So it's still looking good, guys. Just stay patient with it. I'm gonna get out. I don't want to much, but I might get back in depending if it goes back down. I might get back in, but let's see. It all depends. But so far right now, we do have things looking good to the downside. All I want to do is manage my risk at this point. So back to what I was saying, like I'm trading a funded account right now, couple funded accounts, but that's a nasty wick. Look at that. It went down and now it's wicking with straight back up. All right. It is kind of tested. I might enter again. I'm gonna enter again with some shorts. All right, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Let's go. Get that flush. All right, I made some shorts right now. I'm covering some. I'm in some shorts right now. There it goes. Make sure you guys cover profit as it goes down. Let's get it. Let's get it. There it goes. Giving us some more. Cover, cover profit. So as it's going down, I'm covering profit. So I got in with my contracts, and as it goes down, I'm covering profits and making sure that I'm securing some money. Next candlestick is going. Let's see what it does. There we go. Don't risk too much. Don't risk too much. Nice, nice. I like that. I like that right there. I like how it's trying to still go lower. Guys, it's only been 5 minutes, and we already had members making money. If you guys took that first trade at our early entry, it went over like 30 or 40 points. Just stay patient with it. Things are still looking like they want to go down. Just make sure you size appropriately. And when you do get in the position, just try to just focus like on your breathing, making sure you have your emotions under control. But so far, it's working out really well. Whoever is in this chat too, by the way, for the new people who are joining right now, I'll give you guys a free raffle ticket, and that pretty much is going to give you a chance to win a free account. So just stay patient with it. It's still looking kind of good right now. All right, there it goes, going down more. Let's get it. Let's get it. There it goes. There it goes. Nice. Cover some profit. Cover some more profit. But look at that. There it goes. There it goes. Sick candlestick. So even from the second entry, from 23,371, it went down all the way to 23,359. And then from the first entry, we some members entered at 23,392, and it went all the way down to 23,359. So around 40 points. 40 points on the Nasdaq is $20 each point. So if you got in with one contract, that's around what, 800 bucks in less than 5 minutes. So right now at this point, I already covered majority of my position. So I'm just leaving like a couple of contracts left to see what they do. But I'm already in profit, right? So the thing is, it's not even about your profit. It's not even about your wins. It's just about like focusing on the process and taking those quality trades, right? That's what we want to do, is take quality trades and follow our game plan. If we follow our game plan and stick to our rules, then whether we win or lose, it's still a win, right? It's when we start like going against our rules, doing these bad habits and like over trading, that's when you start to like lose and mess up mentally. But so what I was saying earlier in the beginning is that um so with these funded accounts that I have, I'm taking it, not that I wasn't taking it serious before, but I was being more riskier before, right? I was like risking too much, I kind of was like aiming for big profits, like over thousands of dollars and everything. But really, when you're trading with the prop firm, you don't really need to make that much money, right? Even if you make like $100, $200, $300, like it's still decent money because you have multiple accounts, so the money adds up. So what I was doing, for a little while, I was kind of rushing the process a little bit. One, number two is that I was, and I'm talking right now because it's everything's still looking like it wants to go down, right? So just stay patient with it if you are in a trade. I still have a couple more contracts left. Well, I have one contract left, but so I'm gonna see what this one contract does. But what you call it? So I would buy evals and like I would just full port them. So what I mean by that is like I will get like 100 contracts and I'm either gonna pass it or fail it, right? And I would pass a lot, fail a lot, and then I'll get funded. And then the funded account, I would trade like good for like 5, 6 days, and then the day before the payout, like I'll blow my account. So like it was kind of getting frustrating, right? So I'm like, damn. And the next thing you know, I spent a grip load of money like on evals and activation fees because I kept getting a lot like nonstop. And look, the trade's still working out. There it goes. I'm liking what I'm seeing right here. It's looking really good. So anyways, I was like, you know what, forget that. Like, I gotta take it easy. So I toned it down a bit and I'm going back to the basics, right? Going back to the basics and I'm just focusing right now like on like managing my risk and then just stacking those basics. And if I could do that, then I know I'm gonna be just fine. I've done it before and I could do it again. Um, and yeah, I'm just leveraging the prop firms right now because before, like back in the days when I first started trading, I would use my own money. I made money, yeah, but it's just different. Like when you're using your own money compared to prop firm. Like right now, prop firm is good because you can leverage it and then take all your money and then do what you want with it. But anyways, this trade is working out really good. Look at this. Dang, it's working out good, guys. Nice trade right here. So whoever's making money right now, put it in the chat. But this trade is working out good. If I get it, like my profit right now is pretty decent. I'm gonna let it ride a little longer, and then I'm gonna exit my trade. Let's see. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. There it goes. It's still going down, guys. It's still looking good. We are a bit extended, so I'm out. Guys. That trade went for me. I entered at 23,370, and for me it went all the way down to 23,336. So that's over like 40 points right there. It still looks like it wants to go down, but my thing right here is like I ain't trying to spend all day staring at these charts. What I want to do is come in, make my money, and then carry on throughout my day. Do what I got to do. So the goal here is like obviously we want to save our time, right? The time is our number one currency. So we could always make more money, but we can't get back more time, right? And so basically, what I want to do is make my money and get out, right? Make my money and get out, make my money, get out. And if you can make $700, $1,000, $3,000 in less than 30 minutes, then you're done. You could do whatever you want during the day. If you have another job, go to your job, make more money, do what you got to do. But you just made that amount of money in less than 30 minutes. Right now, it's only 6:42. The market opened at 6:30. It hasn't even been 15 minutes. And depending on your position size, right? Depending on your capital, some people are trading with more capital, which means that they can risk more money. And in that case, there's people out there right now that are making thousands and thousands of dollars just by these little moves, right? Obviously, like I said, I'm in the prop firm, so I ain't trying to hit these home runs yet. Right now, I'm just focused on building my account. And so right now, full transparency, I made $200 on my account. It doesn't sound like much, but yesterday I made 500. Today I made 200, and so it's just base hits. You know, that's what I'm trying to do right now is just get these base hits. Um, and my average, what my plan is right now, I'll average anywhere between 150 to like 250 or like $300, and then but over a couple weeks, that's gonna add up, right? And then I'm gonna be able to get some payouts. And that's what the goal is, to get some payouts. And then my home run trades, like my trades that are kind of going to be kind of big, is going to be like $500-600, which it doesn't seem like a lot again, right? It doesn't seem like, oh my God, that's like a lot of money. But I don't care because I'm not really tripping. I have a plan. I'm going to focus on it. And I know the end result is going to get me money, right? Especially when I'm leveraging these prop firms. I'm not just trading one account. I have multiple accounts. So these base hits, they're going to add up. But anyways, the trade was good. So if you guys have any questions, I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna open up the chat. I appreciate everybody joining right now. But I'll open it up real quick. So if you guys have any questions, just go ahead and feel free to turn on your mics and hit me up with some questions. Maybe like if you guys are wondering why I took a trade, what am I looking for? You know, different questions. But this trade is still working out really, really good. Everything still is coming down. So yeah, guys.
Hey, bro. Good morning. It's me, Mark.
Good morning. Good morning. What's up?
Man, it's going down a lot. I got out really early.
Okay.
So I only made like $54 and then I got out.
Hey, that's a win. That's a win.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
all good.
but look at it. If I would have stayed.
I know.
Wow.
And right. So like sometimes you get in a position and you get out, made your money, and then you look at it and you're like, dang, it's going long, it's still going down, it's still going in my favor. Like, what if I would have stayed, right? But
Yeah.
that mentality is the wrong mentality.
Right.
Because that mentality is gonna, like right now, it looks really good, but that mentality is gonna mess us up in the long run, you know, because then next time you're gonna get in a trade and you're gonna stay in it, but then it could go back against you, and then you're gonna end up losing money because you think it's gonna go one way and it doesn't.
Oh, look at it! Look at it!
Yeah, it's working out really well, right? Look at that, it's tanking right now, which
wow,
you'll be making bank, but as long as you made a little profit. And then look, say right now it's going good, right? If you do see another setup, maybe size in, right? But manage your risk because you don't want to turn a green day into a red day.
You're right.
Yeah,
that's true.
I mean, $50 is $50.
Yeah, I stopped. I'm stopping. I'm just, you know.
Think about this right now. Think about the people who are red and losing money right now, right?
Yeah.
And you just made money.
Oh, I didn't think about that. That's true.
Yeah. So good job though.
Thanks, bro.
Green.
Thanks, bro.
Hey, this trade is working out. Hey. Beautiful. I love when the market goes down like this. I love it, guys. Going up is one thing, but sometimes it's kind of slow when it goes up. But when it goes down, like this thing just comes down like it's flushing. So we are a bit extended right now. So cover profit. Make sure you guys cover profit right now. We're a bit extended. So normally when it's extended this much, there is like a little pullback where it kind of goes back up a little bit. It consolidates and then it goes back continuation or it just reverses. But yo guys, like on another note, I'm glad to be back. I'm glad to be back trading live with you guys. I missed all you guys. And, you know, I just had to take some little time away, do my thing, but I'm back. And yeah, I'm planning to just, you know, contribute in any way I can, help you guys, serve you guys, you know, along my journey as I'm trading, you know, help others along the way, you know. So I appreciate all the support that you guys have been giving me. And I hope you guys can win some free Apex accounts because dude, that's pretty dope. I never had a free Apex account. I had to pay for all my accounts. But yeah. This trade is still working out really, really well. And it's only been like And like it's crazy because when you're trading, it feels like, oh my God, an eternity, right? When you're in a trade. But it's only been like 17 minutes since we started trading. And beautiful trade though. Like honestly, it's a beautiful trade. Like I don't even want to stare at it no more because the longer I stare at it, it's gonna make me want to get in a trade again. So I do want to stay on this live more, but I gotta stay disciplined, you know. Like obviously I'm human, like I'm still trying to get better and you know fine tune my trading skills and my craft. And I don't wanna like just look at it and then, you know, get back in the trade and then end up losing money, right? So the longer you stare at the screen, the higher chance of you trading again, right? So if you make your money, what I recommend is shutting it off. Like make your money, shut off the screen. Don't even look at it. Unless like you really like just want to study the chart, but just like log out of your account, don't trade and just like don't even think about trading. But if you made your money, call it a day, pick one trade, max like 3 trades. But I recommend if you took one trade and made money, don't even get back in another trade. Just call it a day. Uh, but yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Let's see. Send me a message or put in the chat whoever joined the live because I know some people were on. I know some people had to get off. So I see Trina, Mark, Becky, and Chino. So I'll get you guys down for. All right, let me see. I gotta remember everybody. I'll get you guys down for a raffle ticket. But if not, help me out and put it in the Discord. That you guys were on the live stream. That way I give you guys an extra ticket for the raffle. And then Friday's the raffle, guys. I'll be doing the raffle on Friday. Let me know if you guys can attend. And then, but look at this, man. It's still going down. Freaking great trade. Um, and then if you do sign up with Apex and use my code, you guys will automatically get 5 extra tickets. Just post a screenshot of it. But this trade is working out freaking great, guys. And I don't really want to stare at it no more. All right. Any last minute questions? Anybody got any questions before I shut this stuff down? Anybody else got any questions? I appreciate all you guys tuning in. You know, much love to you guys. And beautiful trade though, guys. I hope you guys did good. And I hope you guys understood why I took the trade, right? We had identified my supported resistance and then it broke out, took the trade. All right, guys. I'm out. Much love. I appreciate you guys. Oh, my kids are up. I might have been talking too loud.